what's going on. So yeah, you guys are getting a midweek video because I need your help. The backbone antennas are having some troubles and I don't know why. I think it's probably interference or maybe even weather related. I need your help because I have no idea how to troubleshoot this, let alone fix it. I have no idea. So what's happening is the antennas around 9 o'clock, they'll be working fine, and slowly, gradually, they drop. You'll see the signal at 9:10, perfectly fine, and then as time goes on, it starts getting a little bit worse, and a little bit worse, and a little bit worse. And then by 10 o'clock, maybe 10 till, it's completely dropping, it's useless. Like, you can't even do anything on the network anymore. Then, by the time I get up in the morning, around 5, 6 o'clock, everything's back to normal, works just fine. I don't know when it's coming back up or when the problem is going away or if it's a gradual thing then like it is when it starts. I don't know because it happens when I'm sleeping. So yeah, any help you guys could offer me, if you guys could point me in the right direction as to how to even find out what's going on, then hopefully fix it, would be greatly appreciated. Tonight, when I get home from work, I am going to switch the frequencies. Now, these antennas, because they're running full duplex, I only have 2 frequency options. I have 24.1 and 24.2, and they have to be different. So I only have 2 options as far as like which frequency, which antenna's on. It's pretty straightforward. I don't have a lot of options. But I'm gonna flip them and see if they're any different tonight. That's gonna be troubleshooting step number 1 and about the only thing I know to do. So any info is greatly appreciated, and I will see you later.